A devastating earthquake with a magnitude of 6.8 struck Morocco on Friday night, resulting in a tragic loss of over 800 lives, as reported by state TV. This seismic event stands as the deadliest earthquake to afflict Morocco in several decades. Rescue teams are encountering formidable challenges in reaching the most severely impacted areas. An eyewitness, who tragically lost four family members, expressed a desperate hope for miracles amidst the rubble. The epicenter of this catastrophic earthquake was situated in the high Atlas Mountains, approximately 72 kilometers 44.7 miles. Southwest of Marrakesh, a city inhabited by around 840,000 people. The city's historic walls, which were originally constructed in the early 12th century, have sustained significant damage. This seismic event marked the most powerful earthquake to hit this region of North Africa in over 120 years, according to data from the US Geological Survey.